Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a GIF into Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type in the kind of GIF you're looking for. Once the results load, click on the Images tab. Now you'll see a variety of GIFs available. Scroll through and choose one that you like. When you find the one you want, click on it to open it in a larger view. Now right-click on the image and select Save Image As. This will download the GIF file onto your computer. After saving it, close Chrome and open Canva. From the Canva homepage, create a new design. For this example, I'll just open a whiteboard or a blank page, but you can choose any template you want, like Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or presentations. Once the design page is open, look at the left-hand panel and click on Uploads. Here, tap on Upload Files and select the GIF that you just downloaded from your computer. After a few seconds, it will finish uploading and appear in your Canva Uploads library. Now just click on the GIF and it will be added to your main design canvas. You can move it around, resize it, or adjust its position to fit your design perfectly. Canva also allows you to layer it with text, images, or other elements so you can get creative with it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more easy tutorials like this one.